Do you have an error with the Dnspy Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Dnspy.dll debugger decompiler core working again. Before we begin our Dnspy library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Dnspy library. Associated with Dnspy, this library provides the instrumentation hooks required to inspect, rewrite, and attach to managed .NET assemblies at runtime. If missing, the decompiler and debugger cannot attach to a live process or properly analyze assemblies, typically resulting in an instrumentation failure during attach or load operations. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. If you see a Dnspy Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Dnspy.NET debugger/decompiler core subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Dnspy library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Dnspy Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Dnspy Library Guidance. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Dnspy library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.